to transplant the sage that I grew on the Aerogarden. You know, las raíces have good roots, so we're gonna kratky this one. Lo vamos a hacer kratky. There we go. Well, we're gonna clean this first. As you can see, there's just that amount of root clinging, apenas colgando. So we have to be very careful here. Probably means Rodrigo shouldn't do it, but so what we need in this case, lo que necesitamos en este caso es we need to protect this right here maybe. Yeah, that's good. And now we try to get some roots here. There you go. Now we add some of the pebbles. Agregamos las pelotitas de arcilla. Since the stem is already protected by the rock wool, como el tallo y la raíz ya están protegidas por la lana de roca, there's not much to worry about here that you're gonna be damaging them with the clay pebbles, ¿ya? No hay que preocuparse que las puedas dañar con las tintas de arcilla. Let's see where the roots are at. Are the roots in the water? Yes. They're touching the water. Yes. So that's good enough. We don't need more. But you know what? I'm just gonna add more water. Because what I want is I want this to develop more roots than just those. So this is probably my first sage on kratky method. Es mi primera salvia en método kratky, so let's hope it works, huh? Ojalá que funcione. And we'll see you in the next update. Nos vemos en un próximo reporte. Chao, eso nos vemos.